if you're looking to make money online and you're hitting a stopping point and you really need to push it to the next level, then you're in the perfect place. I'm Adrienne with Build a Life by Design, and today I'm going to take you through the top 6 reasons why MLSP could be the missing link that helps you to get over the sticking point you're on and up to that next level of income that you've been aspiring to. Whether you are a network marketer, an affiliate marketer, you're selling digital courses, group coaching, one-on-one consulting, whatever it is that your business is teaching or serving or selling, as long as you're an online business owner and you're looking to excel in that business, then MLSP could be the perfect tool for you. Now, really quickly, before I get into this, you have to effectively know who you are, which is why personal branding matters, and you have to know who your audience is, because that's how you're going to collect the right mix of offerings for them, right? You have to know who you're serving before you can serve them. So really quickly, if you are not familiar with personal branding, I'm going to stick a little information card up top. It'll have like a little eye with a circle around it. That's an info card. You can click on that to learn about personal branding. If you're good there, but you're not sure how to zero in on your target audience, I'll put another little info card up there right now that will teach you about how to zero in on your target audience, okay? Because before you can be effective in business, you have to know who you are and you have to know who you serve. So just want to make sure you guys are grounded in the fundamentals before I start jumping too deep into things. So assuming you're locked and loaded there, let's jump into the top 6 reasons why MLSP might be the missing link for you. Reason number 1, MLSP is a professional training platform. So anyone selling anything online needs to know how to market effectively, professionally, and strategically. And My Lead System Pro, or MLSP, is a great place to go if you are looking for that marketing training of not just how to sell, but how to market, how to move into professional marketing rather than, kind of the salesy, spammy kind of stuff that you may have been taught in the past. So everything from how to lock in your mindset, to how to use attraction marketing, to how to use Facebook ads, and how to use Instagram, Snapchat, all the different platforms on social media, including YouTube. They cover every base. So even if that's the only thing you use it for, it is a phenomenal training resource that truly has everything in one location that you could ever need to know if you are wanting to be a professional marketer online. Reason number 2 that MLSP is a great tool to make money online and take your business to the next level is that it is a lead generation platform. Meaning, instead of relying on the very manual, very time-consuming messaging back and forth, networking style building, it helps you to actually collect online leads and build an email list. Because let's be honest, social media platforms change all the time. Their rules change all the time. They go out of business, new ones pop up, right? Different generations are hanging out on different platforms, but everything is constantly changing. I think we can all agree on that, right? Well, if you're relying on social media to be your list, and you don't actually have an offline list that you're growing through email, you could be in hot water. So if you've never even considered the concept of generating online leads through an email list, I'll throw another info card up top, there it is, that will teach you about why that's so important and why it's so risky to rely 100% on social media to be your list. So grab that if you're not familiar with how important that is for your business. But if you are aware of how important it is, it's nice to know that MLSP is a great tool for generating and capturing those online leads on autopilot, which is another nice thing about it. Reason number 3 that MLSP could be the missing link for you is that it is a full CRM platform. Meaning, once those leads come in that you just generated, they don't just disappear and go into nothingness. No, of course not. They go into your customer relationship management system, CRM. And basically what that means is that you can then start interacting with them, offering them free value, offering them opportunities to connect with you, offering them opportunities to purchase products, offering them things related to whatever it was that drew them in, right? So whatever made them want to come to you in the first place, offer them more of that, and they're going to engage with you and interact with you. So it allows you to continually build a relationship with the leads that you just made. Reason number 4 that MLSP might be the missing link for you and can be a great way to build income online is that MLSP is a professional funnel building platform at a very affordable price. So for anyone looking to learn how to tap their cold market and start interacting with people that aren't necessarily your friends and neighbors, funnels are critical to unlocking your cold market. But of course, unless you know how to speak code, which, let's be honest, that's not fun and no one wants to know how to do that, you need some sort of a platform that allows you to set up very simple funnels, all the way up to complex funnels if that's what you're looking to do. But at a minimum, you need basic funnels that capture the person's information and give them some free value so that they have enough know, like, and trust with you to want to talk to you at all. That's the trick of using funnels. That's how you can tap your cold market. So you need a platform. MLSP is a great one at a great affordable price. Reason number 5 that MLSP could be the missing link in your business. MLSP is perfect for beginners. So everything I've touched on so far is what makes it perfect for beginners. Not only are they a CRM platform, a lead generation platform, a funnel building platform, they give you all the training you need to figure out how to do all that stuff if that's a totally new idea to you, right? So it's the combination of everything that we've gone through so far that makes it great for beginners. Not to mention the affordable price. MLSP is more affordable than other options out there, and it's pretty darn user-friendly. So if you've been sniffing down this path and kind of looking for a funnel building platform that's not going to break the bank or be ultra complicated and will not just throw you the tool and run, but give you the tool and give you all the training you need to effectively use that tool, MLSP is perfect for that, which is why it's perfect for beginners. And finally, reason number 6 that MLSP could be the missing link in your business is that MLSP can host your digital products. Meaning, if you've gone through this journey, right, of building an online business, collecting needs, nurturing customers through your CRM, and bringing people in through funnels, and you've evolved to the point that you're now creating your own digital training courses, it can completely host, not only containing those digital training courses, but allowing you to sell them and collect payment for them and everything involved in that process. Again, at a very affordable price. Whether you're a beginner or whether you're starting to move into expert status, it has everything that you need, including all the training on how to do it. If you're a little bit rusty, you need a refresher, or you're brand new. So it's great in that sense, because a lot of other platforms provide the platform and the tools, but they don't necessarily provide the training you need to effectively use it. So that's yet another reason why I think this is great, not just for beginners, but for the intermediate to advanced users who are starting to create digital products that they need to host and sell somewhere. So again, if you're at a sticking point, if you've grown your business to a certain point and plateaued, and you're looking for, how do I push through that plateau? How do I take it to the next level? And how do I excel beyond where I'm at? MLSP could be the missing ticket for you, right? So all of the 6 reasons that we covered are excellent reasons why this might work better for you. If there's one thing in my business that I've observed to be 100% true, it's this. Anytime I hit a plateau, it was simply a sign to me that I needed to invest in the next level of learning, right? Because you can't excel, you can't grow personally or from a business perspective if you're not learning new things. So if you're at a plateau, it's simply a sign that it's time for you to learn something new so that you can stretch in that comfort zone and stretch into a whole new area of knowledge to unlock how you can better serve your customers. So if you are interested in taking a look at MLSP, seeing what they have to offer, and checking out those 6 reasons for yourself, they do a really good job of making it easy for people who are just kind of wanting to sniff around and check it out. They give you a super affordable 10-day trial, which is long enough to look around, take some of the initial trainings, get your bearings, and decide, is this right for me? So it's not a huge overcommitment. It's 10 days, right? They make it pretty easy. So if you're interested in checking out the 10-day trial, seeing if it could be the missing link in your business, of course, as always, I've included a link below to make it easy for you to do that. And it's at a super low price if you grab it through that link. So of course, be sure to do that. I'm Adrienne with Build a Life by Design. I help people to build six-figure incomes from home so they can have true freedom in their lives and disconnect that cycle of trading time for money. Because as long as you're trading time for money, you have no time freedom. All of your time is linked to making money, and it's just going to keep you in that hamster wheel, right? If you're in the hamster wheel and you're frustrated by that 9 to 5, my channel was made specifically for you. So subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that I can help you to do that. This is just one of many free training options that I provide to help you figure out what does passive income look like for you and what's the right mix of tools for you. Everyone's a little different, so I try to provide a mix of options. So if that's something you're interested in, I am more than happy to help you out. Now, you can subscribe either through the link in the description below, or you can wait for if you're on YouTube anyway, you can wait for my logo to pop up somewhere over here, and you can wait for the next video to pop up somewhere over here. Now, if you're checking me out through Messenger or email or some other platform, Facebook maybe, Instagram, you may need to actually hit open in YouTube in order to subscribe, in order to see the floating logo, in order to do all those great things, okay? And truly, you do get a better watch experience if you're actually watching me on YouTube, so I encourage you to do that. And as always, I'm here to help, and I will go ahead and see you in the next video.